Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, I want to share 5 awesome cases to protect your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus against drops. Trust me, the last thing you want is a cracked Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. All these cases are provided by Iblaze Luna, a highly respected smartphone case manufacturer, and I will drop a link to each case in the description box down below. You can check the cases out either at iblazon.com or find them on amazon.com. All links will be provided. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open each and every one of these cases, show you what's in the box, and fit the Galaxy S9 inside each case to show you how it looks. And just remember these 3 points. Every single one of these cases feels high quality, is drop tested to military standards, and has full cutouts for every port on your smartphone. So rest assured with those 3 points. Now let's dive in and start unboxing. I'll be using a Galaxy S9 for this demonstration, but all these cases are also available for the Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's first unbox my favorite case. It's called the Unicorn Beetle, so that's the box. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. This one is a big one. It's got a belt clip and it's got total protection. So let's take everything out of the box. It's very well packaged. There we go. Let's take that out here. Bunch of foams. Little guide. More foams. Remove all of that stuff. That's the front screen protector. And that's the case with the actual belt clip attachment. So let's take a look at all this stuff. Take a look at that protection that you get with this case once your phone is inside. Let's put that aside, and there you have it. Now let's put everything together. Let me just remove that belt clip attachment real quick, put it aside. That's the one that you can attach to your belt. And let's actually put the phone in the case. Now this is a full screen protection case. It even has a built-in screen protector. So if you put your phone in this case, it's never going to get scratched, okay? It's got total body protection. So once you put the front of the phone into the front side of the case, you can fit the rest in here. And it takes a little bit struggle, but it does not damage the phone in any way. All these products are high quality. So take a look at that complete and total protection you get. The front is covered with a screen protector. And of course, let's flip the case over. And you've got complete protection on the back and the front. So if you're looking for a case that is going to completely and fully protect your phone from every angle, that you can also attach to a belt clip so you can carry it on your belt, this is the case to get. And of course, I'm going to drop the links to this case down below so you can go check it out on the actual website with even more details. Now let's move on to the next case. Alright, so this one is called the Mamba Case. So there's the box. Let's take a look at the back side. That's the back side, and let's open the box really quickly and see what's inside. This one is a smaller package. All you get with this one is the actual case, and the phone fits right in. Of course, it's again well packaged, high quality. A little thank you slip, a foam. All right, let's put that box aside. That's the front side of the actual case, and that's the back side of the actual case. As you can see, it's got a nice little design. So let's put the phone right inside, and as you can see, it glides right into place. Perfect. Okay, it doesn't take struggle at all. It's very easy to put it in, and now you have a stylish case, and you have some level of protection. Now obviously this case is not for full, complete, and total protection, but it still is a shock absorbing case. So if it does fall on the floor, it does absorb the shock so the phone doesn't get cracked. But again, there is nothing on the front side of the actual screen like the previous case that we just saw. This case is mostly for people that are looking for a nice design, for a slim case that still offers some level of protection. I'm going to drop the links down below. Now let's move on to the next case. The next case here is from Iblaze Luna. This is the Luna case. This is going to be in rose gold color. So there's the box. Let's go right inside and take a look at what we have. Again, I already looked at this case, so it's a very high quality product. Let's pull it out, and it's got a nice design on the back of the actual case. You get a little guide. You get the pouch. Pull it right out. and that's the front of the case. And as you can see, that's the back of the case with a nice two-tone design. All right, so let's fit the smartphone into the case. And again, it's very easy. It'll go right in. Don't worry, it's not going to scratch your phone. Some cases do that, but they're not high quality. This one has nice, high quality plastic that will not scratch your phone when you put it right inside. This one takes a little bit struggle because it's supposed to be a higher protective case. Anytime you buy a case that's supposed to be extra protective, it takes a little bit effort to put it into the case. So that's the front side right there. And then I'm going to show you the back side, how that looks. There we go. And of course, this comes in different colors that you can check out on the actual website when I drop the links down below. Now let's move on to the next case. Now here's another case that is a full protection case. It's got a built-in screen protector. So you just put the phone into the front screen protector. You just plug the whole thing into the actual case, and then it gives you total body protection, back and front, tested to military standards. This is, if you drop this phone in this case, it's not going to crack. Now this case again has a built-in screen protector on the front, and on the back it's actually see-through. So anybody that wants to see the back of your phone, this is the case to buy for complete body protection and that see-through feature. And now let's move on to the final case I'm going to look at in this video. All right, so this one is a Clayco case, and that's the box on the front, that's the box on the back. Let's open the box and see what's inside real quick. Okay, again, nicely packaged. Now this one is also in rose gold, but it's got a twist in the back. Let's just pull the whole thing out. It's got a little thank you card. Pull it out of the sleeve. Okay, so that's the beautiful little case. Now this is also actually a complete protective case. The only thing it doesn't have a built-in screen protector like the last case that we saw. Let's take a look at the back of this thing right here. So as you can see, it's got a two-tone design, but this is a little bit different. I like this one better than the other one. But let's put the phone in the case and see how it looks. All right, so on the front, you do have to remove that thing. It says separate the front casing from the rear case. So let's separate that. It's a little tough to take it out, but that's not going to be a problem when you put it back in. So once you take it out, it's very easy to put it back in. I'm going to show you how easy it is to plug the phone in to the case. So that's off, and all you do, again, is align the phone with the proper cutouts and just put the phone in that front case, the front casing. All right, just like that. It's a perfect fit, snaps right in place, and then put this into the rear case. Just like that, very easy. It goes right in, and now you have complete and total protection. Like I said, the only thing you don't get is the built-in screen protector that some people don't like. It does protect the phone from scratches normally, but also takes away from the display quality a little bit, and also slightly degrades the touch sensitivity. So with this one, you're going to get full screen quality and full touch sensitivity. But you can always sacrifice a little bit of that if you want complete protection with a built-in screen protector, like the other couple of cases we looked at. And that brings us to the end of this video. I will drop the links to all these cases down below, and of course, thanks to Iblaze for providing these high-quality protective cases for the S9 and S9 Plus. On their website, they have many more options to browse through, so go check the links down below. And of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop them down below. And of course, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH for more videos to come. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, follow me on all @SAKITECH Online. Guys, have a fantastic day.